Alright, so in this video we're going to look at the basic ideas for angles in the first couple of questions of homework 1. So in the first question, 1A, we can see that we have a straight line here, CAD, and if we have two angles in a straight line, then the sum of those two angles is 180 degrees. Also, when we see this symbol here, this square with a dot in the center, that means that we have a 90-degree angle. So those two angles we're called adjacent. And they're next to each other. They have a common ray AC, and so they add to 90 degrees. Here we're going to test with following a true or false. We're going to use the same idea here. We can see that A plus X is a 90-degree angle there, so that's true. That's 90 degrees. Now, we see that AX is a 90-degree angle, but also so is X plus Y. So if those two things add to the same thing, maybe let's do it off to the side. If we have A plus X equals 90 degrees, and we also know that Y plus X equals 90 degrees, then A and Y must be the same thing. So that's true. The way that we understand this is they have a common difference here of X in the middle. All right, so if we look at A plus X plus Y, we see for that to be 180 degrees, then the whole thing would have to be the straight line. But we see that that's not the case. It's not quite the straight line, so that has to be false. We don't know what it does add up to, we just know that it's less than 180. All right, so for B now, we're going to see here, let's compare alpha here, and theta. So we can use what we call the external angle theorem here, is that alpha plus theta is equal to the opposite exterior angle, which is this one here, Z. So that's true. The reason that's true, very quickly, is that the angle sum of the triangle in the interior angles, we have alpha plus theta plus beta. Beta, that should be 180 degrees. So that means that alpha plus theta is 180 minus beta. But so is Z. Notice that they're also a straight angle here. So that beta is also 180 minus theta. So that's why that's true. All right, so for part 5 now, alpha plus beta plus theta, let's just erase this working here. Alpha plus beta plus theta. We've got alpha here plus beta plus theta. Those are the interior angles of a triangle, and we should know that those are equal to 180 degrees. There's a proof in your booklet about that. All right, so X plus Y plus Z, let's have a look at where that is. We've got X plus Y plus Z. These are the exterior angles of the triangle, and they do not add up to 180, they add up to 360 degrees. So that's a false statement. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. These are the main things that we're going to be using throughout. The external angle theorem, and the interior angle sum. I'm just going to say interior angle sum, and we call this the exterior angle sum. Great. Hopefully you've got the hang of those basic ideas, and we'll look forward to seeing you for some harder activities in the next few videos. Bye for now.